Well, how you guys feeling? D1 mates? Welcome to Musical Podcast. So, nasa video mode na tayo. Wala ako dito sa party room. Pero, because it's my time, I'm going to talk here until 7:30 p.m. in the evening. 48 minutes past 6 o'clock in the evening. 48 minutong makalipas ng alas 6 ng gabi. Maligayang pagdating sa musical podcast. And today, we bring you music that comes from the heart. 'Di ba? Kahit house music pa lang, kumikembot ka na? How did you know? Magaling ka bang kumembot? Yes. I love to shake my body. A shimmy a day shakes the stress away. 'Di ba? Well, syempre, later that morning, bukas, busy pa kasi ako eh. Magzuzumba si Luna Lady Love. Yes! I'm a Zumba instructor also. Syempre, nakaka-excited talaga. But we're still unwinding here. But mamaya pa mag-i-start ang decades of sounds from classics to now. Syempre, dito lang yan sa D1 12:06 AM, the future of AM radio. But why do I love music on AM radio? Syempre, it gives you a sense of music taste. 'Di ba? Sagot ko dyan dito sa why am I still in a music taste. But yeah, pwede mo na ako mag-I believe. O sige, pang Miss Q&A ata to ah. I believe may music taste ako. I believe medyo nakaka-excited tuloy. And I believe si DJ Sting gusto niya akong makakasayaw sa harapan ko. But I believe 40 minutes pa mag start ang Decades of Sounds. And thank you, charot. Well, hindi to Miss Q&A to musical podcast to, charet. Syempre, nasa kalagitnaan tayo ng video mode pero wala tayo dito sa party room. But, do you like my filter? Wow. Ang ganda. Lakas maka-face card. Syempre, labasan ko lang ang face card ko dito eh. Mahirap pumasok sa PR ng walang face card. Syempre, audio to eh. Wala ako dito sa video mode. Camera mode lang ako dito sa musical podcast. But, you know it? I love shuffle dancing. For so many years, during pandemic, hindi ko na alam kung paano gawin yung shuffle dance. But now, I'm here in 2026. I'm a professional dancer right now. Marunong ako mag-stunt, tumambling, mag-split. Syempre, wala na akong buto. I feel boneless. Charet! Anong boneless? Syempre, boneless tayo. Hindi. Wala tayong buto para isayaw ang katawan. Kumembot-kembot na parang walang buto, halukay ube, halukayan mo na todo. So, alam mo yung kanta ni Sex Bomb Girls? Ano? Maglaro tayo. Maglaro? Gagayahin mo ako, gagayahin din kita sa lahat ng gagawin mo. O, diba? Syempre, I had to wait for it because magi start ang Decades of Sounds from classics to